Okay, let's continue with our discussion. Okay, question 14. Calculate the volume of a small cube. Hitung isi padu bagi kubus kecil. Okay, what is a cube again? A cube is the 3D shape of a square. Okay, this is a square in 2D shape. But when it is in 3D, three-dimensional, then it becomes a cube. Okay, for a cube, the length is the same as the width, is the same as the height. Okay, this is the cube. So if the question tells you that the length is 2 cm, so that means the width is also 2 cm, the height is also 2 cm. So the formula for volume untuk cari isi padu, length times width times height. Panjang darab lebar darab tinggi. So panjang 2 cm, lebar 2 cm, tinggi 2 cm. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, remember to write your unit. Then you get 2 marks. 1 mark for your number sentence, 1 mark for your answer with unit. Without unit, you lose your mark. Question 2. Shamil filled all the small cubes into a box. Which box did he use? Dia mengisi semua, all, into one of the boxes. This one or this one or this one. Which one did he use? Okay. So we need to find out the volume of all the small cubes. Semua kubus kecil. Let's go back to this question. So we need to find out the volume of this whole thing. Okay. So that we know how much volume we need to fit into one of the 3 boxes here. Okay, so the question tells us that one box here is 2 cm. So how many boxes, how many cubes do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. So the length of this whole diagram is 10. What about the width? There are 2 here. 1, 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So the width is 4. What about the height? There are 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so to find out the volume of this whole diagram, you take the length, panjang, times the width, lebar, times the height, tinggi. So 10 times 4 times 6. Okay, 10 times 4 times 6. So 10 times 4 times 6. So 10 times 4 is 40. 40 times 6 is 240. Okay, so this is the volume of this diagram. Okay, now you just have to find out which boxes here, there are 3 boxes here, has the same volume as this one. Cari antara 3 kotak ini yang mana isi padu dia sama seperti yang 240. Okay, so you can times one by one. Same thing, you take this one times this one times this one. Okay, 5 times 6 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. And then this one, 10 times 2 times 12. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 12 is 240. So it's the same as this one. So the answer is the second box. Mempunyai isi padu yang sama. So you put a tick here, you already get 1 mark. Tick saja dah dapat 1 markah. And then you have to prove it, buktikan. No, buktikan. So you just show your calculation. Okay, you show your calculation for this one. 10 times 2 times 12. Okay, maybe you put your length first. Okay, your length is 12. Your width is 10. And then your height is 2. So you get 12 times 10. 12 times 10 is 120. 120 times 2 is 240. So you just have to prove that both volume are the same. Then you can put all the small cubes here. Boleh letak semua kubus kecil ni ke dalam ini. Sebab isi padu dia sama. Size dia sama. Barulah boleh muat. Okay, so you show your calculation, you get 2 marks. Okay. Okay, last question. Okay, if you don't understand, always pause the video, play again. You can watch as many times as you want until you understand. And then you can copy the workings, write down the calculation in your exercise book. You can use MT1 or MT2, doesn't matter. Okay, last question. Diagram 12 shows the volume of a diesel oil in a container. State the volume in ml. Nyatakan isi padu dalam ml. So you see here, this is 8.6 liter. 8.6 liter. So 1 liter is 1000 ml. So 8.6 liter, you need to times 1000 ml. So how do you times 1000? You move the decimal point. 8.6 and then you move 3 times because 3 zeros. 3 kosong gerak 3 kali. 1, 2, 3. So ml. So the dot is no longer here, it's now here. Then you can erase it. Okay, so the answer is 8600 ml. This is only 1 mark, so you can straight away write the answer. Boleh terus tulis jawapan. Tak perlu tunjuk langkah pun tak apa. Okay, you just write the correct answer with the unit ml. Razin bought 6 containers of diesel oil. Calculate the volume of diesel oil in ml by Razin. So this is 1 container. Razin bought 6 container, beli 6 bekas. So cari jumlah isi padu. What do? You times 6 kali 6. Dalam ml, okay? Dalam ml. So 6 times 8600 ml. Tadi kita dah tukar 8600. So 6 times 8600 ml. Sorry, 6 times 8600 ml. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 6, 36. You write 3 here. 6 times 8, 48. 48 plus 3, 51,600 600 ml. 2 marks, 2 markah, 1 mark for your calculation, 1 mark for your answer with ml. No unit, no ml, no marks. Okay, last one. Razin has used 12,500 ml of the oil. Calculate the remaining. Use, nampak use. Menggunakan. Lepas apa guna, dia makin tambah ke kurang? Mesti kurang kan? Okay, so from question B, we know that it is 51,600 ml minyak yang Razin beli. So to find the baki, cari remaining, you have to minus. Minus berapa yang dia telah guna? Dia guna 12,500. Okay, 12, let me see. Is it 12,500? Okay. Dia guna 12,500. So you minus 12,500. This question is very simple, right? Okay, but quite a lot didn't get full marks for this question. Okay, so you minus, minus, minus. This one you plus 10. This one you minus 1. So you get 39,100 ml. Okay, so 2 marks, 2 markup, 1 mark for your number sentence, 1 mark for your answer with ml. Okay, that's all for now. So we have completed the discussion for paper 2. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.